Hello everyone, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the live price prediction of XRP cryptocurrencies. So before starting this video, I request you to please click the subscribe button right now for more this kind of latest news and updates. Let's see the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrency, XRP cryptocurrency, sorry. So let's see the live price prediction. That is the live price prediction of last hour. Oh my god, unbelievable change in the XRP Ripple cryptocurrencies. So that is the change in the XRP. Positive 0.08% are the change in the XRP cryptocurrencies, and the high change is $0.543521 is the high change in the XRP Ripple cryptocurrencies. That is the live price prediction of 24 March 2021 and last hour price prediction you are watching now on ABS Tech channel. So that is the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies. XRP cryptocurrencies. Sorry. So that is the live price prediction of XRP. As you can see now, at this period they falls down very badly, falls down. After this period their time is start now. The XRP holders time are start now. After this period, as you can see now, they move upward, and this time very fastly move upward like a rocket. So that is the live price prediction of XRP Ripple cryptocurrencies. Click the subscribe button right now for more this kind of latest news and updates.